Welcome to a special question and answer session with Dr. Rodrigo Rodriguez at BioCare Hospital and Wellness Center in Tijuana, Mexico. I am Lindsey Williams. For a free consultation, you heard me correctly. I know you don't get that in other parts of the world, but for a free consultation with a doctor at BioCare Hospital, call the toll-free number right into the hospital in Tijuana, Mexico, 800-262-0212. And when you call, ask for their 60-page booklet, which will be sent to you free of charge. Dr. Rodriguez, the operating room at BioCare Hospital, to me personally, from what I'm hearing and seeing, is one of the most unique in the world. Cleanliness, disinfection. Please tell us about your operating room as to why it is so unique.
I think it's a matter of personal responsibility. I take very seriously, very, very seriously what I do. I'm a professional. I studied medicine because I wanted to do something good, not because I wanted to make money. I wanted to be responsible. I wanted to be able to answer to anyone that asks me, what are you doing and why? I want to be proud of my work. And I always talk to my staff about those values. I say, at the end of the day, it's not how much money you did, it's how many people you helped, how responsible you were in making sure that things happen in a very fantastic way. Let me tell you something, and this is absolutely true. Every time any staff member has a father or mother or a child sick, they're welcome at the hospital at no charge. All they have to do is to remember that the type of care, the type of food, the type of attention, everything they would love to that person they love so much has been provided. And to remember that it is exactly that what they should be providing to our patients. No one is less than that. So our operating room runs on very strict rules. We're very careful. And I'm very proud, for example, about important physicians in town that have called me and said, hi, you know what? My son has to go through this surgery. Or my wife has to do this. Can I use your operating room? Because we have absolutely 100% success stories in all the surgeries, in all the procedures we have done in operating room, 100% success in avoiding any infection. Because we're very careful. Because we have to respond to you and we have to make sure you get what you wanted. Believe me, every day, at every level in the hospital, we work with you in mind.